Here we go. Alright. Recording? So this invention was made by Levi Broach over the summer, well, currently right now. It's used for us to explain or to like figure out if you want to make a turret for future games, like the one we did like, you shoot like a ball to a hoop or a goal or whatnot. So we're using this as an example. It's just how are we going to program it? How are we going to have an angle so it goes, so it shoots high or low or whichever way. It also has like a camera to track a photon vision. So like go turn to specific code that does it right there. And go behind Levi's touch bag. Or that one. But yeah, this will technically chase it around, so it'll move around. So now, we have to test the programming with this thing over, or distance or PID, or proportional integral derivative thing. So we have to figure out our distance between the turret and the actual, goal or the main target we want to hit, right? So now all it's doing is calculating like the, yeah, it probably is, right? Oh, right there. So I'll turn it on to show it. So we first enable it. Then hit the, so you can see it's kind of moving right now. So if I remove the, thing, it will slightly see. Yeah. So now there might be a different type of mechanism where this thing will like turn that way or higher, depending on what type of goal you want to shoot at or target. Right now it's stuck at a 45-degree angle. So we just see through RPM or the distance between our stuff for the target.
So Alex, move the target around. So further towards us. Closer. But you can move it over in this area as well.
Don't let it hit you.
So,
Maybe not you. We'll be friends anymore.
I'm not sure the camera picked this up, but as you can see, it's slowing down as it's getting closer. So, it's getting slower because, the more farther away a target is, faster we'll have to go. But yeah, so, probably hit the target. Yeah, and it starts slowing down. And we're speeding up again. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, Levi!
I had the goalie locked up.
Stop.
Are we done? Cool. You got anything to say?
I like it. It's probably the coolest project I've worked on.
Yeah, it's very cool.
ChatGPT and Claude were very helpful. That's what I'll say.
And the new Bamboo Labs we got, they're very cool. Very helpful.
Oh yeah, and then shout out, Buzzer, please.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.